Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Common Mistakes.
We are so happy you are here today.
This podcast is for beginners.
We help you fix small mistakes in daily English.
Small mistakes can make big differences.
But don't worry.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes mean you are learning,
Today, we will learn common mistakes.
and we will learn correct sentences.
You will listen.
You will repeat.
You will feel more confident.
Before we start, please like this podcast
Subscribe to our channel.
and share with a friend.
Let's start learning.
Part 1. I am versus I.
Many beginners say, I student.
This is a common mistake.
Correct. I am a student.
Let's listen again. Wrong. I student. Correct. I am a student.
Repeat with me. I am a student.
Good job.
Another example. Wrong. I teacher. Correct. I am a teacher.
Repeat. I am a teacher.
Nice.
Wrong. I busy. Correct. I am busy.
Repeat. I am busy.
Great.
Remember, use I am before jobs, feelings, and descriptions.
I am happy. I am tired. I am ready.
Let's practice together.
Say, I am happy.
Say, I am learning English.
Excellent. Part 2. He is, she is.
Another mistake.
People say, she teacher.
Correct. She is a teacher.
Listen again. She is a teacher.
Repeat. She is a teacher.
Good.
Wrong. He doctor. Correct. He is a doctor.
Repeat. He is a doctor.
Nice.
Wrong. She busy. Correct. She is busy.
Repeat. She is busy.
Great.
Remember, he is, she is, it is.
He is tall. She is kind. It is cold.
Your turn.
Say, he is my friend.
Say, she is happy.
You're improving already. Part 3. I have versus I am having.
Many learners say, I am having a car.
This is wrong.
Correct. I have a car.
Listen again. I have a car.
Repeat. I have a car.
Good. Wrong. I am having 2 brothers. Correct. I have 2 brothers.
Repeat. I have 2 brothers.
Nice.
Wrong. I am having a phone. Correct. I have a phone.
Repeat. I have a phone.
Great.
Use have for possession.
I have a bag. I have a job. I have time.
You try.
Say, I have a pen.
Say, I have a family.
Excellent work.
Part 4. There is versus there are.
People often say, there is many people.
Correct. There are many people.
Listen again. There are many people.
Repeat. There are many people.
Good.
Wrong. There is 2 shops. Correct. There are 2 shops.
Repeat. There are 2 shops.
Nice.
Singular equals there is. Plural equals there are.
There is a cat. There are 2 cats.
There is a book. There are 5 books.
Your turn. Say, there is a chair.
Say, there are many students.
Great job.
Part 5. Do versus does.
Common mistake. She don't like tea.
Correct. She doesn't like tea.
Listen again. She doesn't like tea.
Repeat. She doesn't like tea.
Good. Wrong. He don't work here. Correct. He doesn't work here.
Repeat. He doesn't work here.
Nice.
Use do with I, you, we, they.
Use does with he, she, it.
I do, you do, they do.
He does, she does, it does. Practice.
Say, I do my homework.
Say, she does her homework.
Excellent.
Part 6. Very much versus very.
People say, I like very much pizza.
Correct. I like pizza very much.
Listen again. I like pizza very much.
Repeat. I like pizza very much. Good.
Wrong. I very like coffee. Correct. I like coffee very much.
Repeat. I like coffee very much. Nice.
We say, I like it very much. I love it very much.
Try now. Say, I like English very much.
Say, I like music very much.
Great! Part 7. In versus on versus at. Basics.
Common mistake. I am in home.
Correct. I am at home.
Repeat. I am at home.
Good.
Wrong. I am on school. Correct. I am at school.
Repeat. I am at school. Nice.
In equals city, country. At equals place.
I live in India. I am at home.
Practice.
Say, I am at work.
Say, I live in Delhi.
Excellent work. Part 8. Simple real-life dialogue.
Let's listen. Hello, I am Ronald.
Hi, Ronald. I am Stephanie.
I am a student.
I am a teacher.
I have a book.
I have a pen.
Let's repeat together.
I am a student. I am a teacher. I have a book. I have a pen.
Good job.
Part 9. Can versus can to.
Wrong. I can to swim.
Correct. I can swim. Repeat. I can swim.
Nice.
Wrong. I can to speak English. Correct. I can speak English.
Repeat. I can speak English.
Great.
Can plus verb. No to.
I can cook. I can read. Your turn.
Say, I can write.
Say, I can learn. Wonderful. Part 10. People is versus people are.
Wrong. People is nice.
Correct. People are nice.
Repeat. People are nice.
Good.
People are happy. People are busy.
Practice. Say, people are kind.
Say, people are working.
Great job.
Part 11. Make versus do. Many learners say, I make my homework.
Correct sentence. I do my homework.
Listen again. I do my homework.
Repeat. I do my homework.
Good job.
Wrong. I make exercise. Correct. I do exercise.
Repeat. I do exercise.
Nice.
We use do for work and tasks.
Do homework. Do exercise. Do work.
We use make for creating things.
Make food. Make tea. Make a cake.
Listen.
I make breakfast. I do my homework.
Repeat.
I make breakfast. I do my homework.
Excellent. Part 12. Say versus tell.
Wrong. He told me hello.
Correct. He said hello to me.
Repeat. He said hello to me.
Good.
Wrong. She said me a story. Correct. She told me a story.
Repeat. She told me a story.
Nice.
Say something. Tell someone.
Say hello. Say sorry.
Tell me. Tell her. Tell him.
Practice.
Say, I told my friend.
Say I said sorry.
Great job. Part 13. Much versus many.
Wrong. I have much books.
Correct. I have many books.
Repeat. I have many books.
Good.
Wrong. I have many water. Correct. I have much water.
Repeat. I have much water.
Nice.
Many, countable. Much, uncountable.
Many apples. Many cars.
Much milk. Much sugar.
Practice.
Say many people.
Say much time.
Excellent. Part 14. Very versus too.
Wrong. It is too good.
Better. It is very good.
Repeat. It is very good.
Good.
2 equals more than needed.
Very equals strong feeling.
The tea is very hot. The tea is too hot.
Repeat. Very hot. Too hot. Great. Part 15. He go versus he goes.
Wrong. He go to work.
Correct. He goes to work.
Repeat. He goes to work.
Nice.
Wrong. She eat rice.
Correct. She eats rice.
Repeat. She eats rice.
Good. He, she, it, add s.
He runs. She cooks. It works.
Practice.
Say he plays football.
Say, she drinks tea.
Great job.
Part 16. Daily routine talk. Listen.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I take a bath.
I eat breakfast.
Repeat together.
I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat breakfast.
Nice.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
My quick breakfast is toast.
Your turn.
Say, my breakfast is blank.
Good. Part 17. Why you versus why do you?
Wrong. Why you late? Correct. Why do you late? Better. Why are you late?
Repeat. Why are you late?
Nice. Wrong. Why are you angry? Correct. Why are you angry?
Repeat. Why are you angry?
Good.
Part 18. I think for opinion.
Say, I think it is good.
Repeat. I think it is good.
Nice. I think English is easy.
Repeat. I think English is easy.
Great.
Part 19. Shopping dialogue. Hello.
Hello.
I want a pen.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Repeat.
I want a pen. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome.
Good job. Part 20. Please, politeness.
Open the door. Please open the door.
Repeat. Please open the door.
Nice. Give me water. Please give me water.
Repeat. Please give me water.
Great.
Wrap up mini.
Today you learned
I am. He is. I have. There are. She doesn't. I can.
you are doing amazing.
Keep listening.
Keep repeating.
You are becoming better every day.
Fun question for you.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. You learned make and do,
Say and tell.
much and many.
He goes. She eats.
You are doing amazing.
Fun question.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Tell us in the comments.